Okay, today we're going to create a monthly budget. So this has a lot of different elements, and 100,000 is just simple, so I put that in there. So let's not be scared, but we'll just jump right into it and try and cover all the basics of this monthly budget. So the first we're going to input is our salary, 100,000, just to keep it simple. And then we all have to pay taxes, so I put in 25 again, just to keep things simple. So you can see the math in here. And then disposable income. We basically said, all right, we have, again, you can make this more complicated, but to keep things simple, we have our salary, we have to subtract our taxes, and we divide it monthly. So we have, let's just say 6,250 for monthly income. So working through here, we have the main categories of rent, utilities, and you can see here that we can enter in new ones. I left some spots so you can add two different. So let's say childcare. You can go in here and say childcare, and it will pop up in this chart. All right, so we have the main categories, but we're gonna say some of these are very simple. And then we're going to call this gas, fund spending, fund money, student loans. Let's call this one Visa, car note, car insurance. Ugh. Alright, renters insurance. And then we're going to call this one, MasterCard. So you can see what I did here. We have the individual items that you can put here, and then we have the main categories. So I'm sure you caught it, but we have 2 credit cards. So you can have multiple items in here, but some of the big ones, you're only going to have one rent, hopefully. And then you see the total number of expenses and then your savings. I also left the formulas here so you can see how everything's computing. And then you can see the monthly spend by category or section. So you can see that rent is 1,000, but you can also see credit cards here equal 150. So it's a very simple way of just, every once in a while I have to sit down and look at my bills as they change over, the month or year. Sometimes it's just a yearly experiment. But yeah, I thought this would be helpful, and I've got some requests. So I just, it's a quick and dirty. And yeah, hopefully it's helpful.